Regional Center for Biotechnology located on the Gurugram-Faridabad Expressway is an autonomous institute established by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India in collaboration with UNESCO. The aim of the institute is to conduct innovative research in the field of biotechnology by providing world-class education and training. Established in 2010, the institute has developed infrastructure rapidly. It has state-of-the-art research laboratories and facilities where research is being done in various fields of biotechnology like cell biology, development and behavior, agriculture biotechnology, bacterial and viral infectious diseases, protein structure and design, complex human diseases and molecular drugs. In addition to this, the Regional Center for Biotechnology is also conducting research training programs for undergraduate and postgraduate students of various universities in which students gain real experience of many aspects of modern biological research that can help them in starting their research career.
Besides its research program, RCB has major emphasis on its academic program. We train Masters and PhD students from India and several other neighboring countries. We also conduct several training programs in niche areas of biotech sciences.
A separate Advanced Technology Platform Center has also been set up at this institute to accelerate innovation in biotechnology. The center has cutting-edge facilities to help new researchers to transform their ideas into reality.
The ATPC will act as a catalyst for multidisciplinary basic and translational research by providing state-of-the-art instrumentation, professional technical services, and will also aim to develop new technologies in collaboration with academia and industry.
Along with the training of students and researchers, a bio-incubator for new entrepreneurs has also been established, which helps in the commercialization of new ideas by providing them access to various inputs in the field of biotechnology. This Biotechnology Institute of the National Capital Region is an excellent platform for young talent interested in the field of biotechnology and is consistently striving towards developing the scientific capabilities of our country.